Starboy's Surprise, written by Dana Hunter, illustrated by Mark Tuner. Far, far away, in deep dark space, was a star. From far away, that star was just a tiny twinkle. But close up, it was sand and sea and sparkling red rocks. And on it lived Starboy and his robot Ace. That was it. Just one boy, one robot, and lots of pink sand. My mate. Ace, let's race. Starboy and Ace did everything together. Starboy raced across the sparkly sand. Ace raced with him. Starboy chased a falling star. Ace chased with him. As Starboy shut his eyes, Ace shut them too. Ace was just a robot. But Starboy knew he was the best robot ever. You are the best. The trouble was, Ace was a robot. He couldn't think up a game, have an idea, or even surprise Starboy. Ace couldn't help it. It was just the way he was made. You're made that way, Ace. Ace. It was the day before Starboy's birthday. Alone on his star, there was just one thing Starboy wanted. A surprise! A big birthday surprise. How could a robot surprise a boy? How could rocks or sand or sea surprise him? There was not much hope. But Starboy had hope. A tiny twinkle of hope deep inside him. After all, around him there were stars, and Starboy knew about stars. So closing his eyes, Starboy wished upon a star. I wish. Then Starboy went to sleep, and Ace shut down with him. A boy and his robot, alone on a star, dreaming a birthday dream. When Starboy woke up on his birthday, the sun was shining and he was about to sing happy birthday to himself. When Starboy saw that Ace had gone, that wasn't the surprise he was hoping for. Ace! Starboy looked everywhere, but Ace was nowhere to be found. Starboy climbed a big rock. Why did I wish for a surprise? He cried out. I had Ace! Then Starboy saw tracks in the wet sand behind the rock. From far away, he heard the click of robot wheels. Ace! There was Ace rolling up and down the beach. What was he up to? Starboy watched as he collected rocks. Click, click went at his robot arms as he picked up blue rocks, green rocks, purple, pink, and gold. What a surprise! Starboy watched as Ace laid the rocks down in long, neat rows, row after sparkling row. twinkling in the sunlight. What was he doing? Surprise, surprise. Ace was making huge letters with the row of rocks, letters that from far away spelled out, and from far, happy birthday. And from far, far away, Space Girl read Ace's birthday wishes. Hey, the Space Girl said to her robot Czar, it's someone's birthday. Birthday, bleeps Czar. Let's party, said Space Girl, and she zoomed around to land on the Star Boy's twinkling star. Wow! Gasped Star Boy. Happy birthday! Laughed Space Girl, jumping down from her rocket. I read your sign. Star Boy looked at the huge letters and suddenly he understood Ace's birthday surprise. Ace, you are the best. Together, Star and Space Girl, Ace and Czar had the best birthday party ever. Rocking and rolling on the sand, singing out to the stars and flashing their lights. They ate moon mantis and comet chips, then space ices and Jupiter juice. Just when Star Boy thought it was all over, Ace and Czar rolled up with a birthday cake, a huge cake sprinkled with moon dust icing. Space Girl took some pictures with her space viewer. They sang happy birthday to Star Boy. This birthday had been one surprise after another. He laughed. Come back to my planet, said Space Girl. It's full of surprise. Just like Ace. Star Boy hugged Ace. Ace blinked. More. He bleeped and everyone laughed. The four friends zoomed off into space with Ace's birthday surprise sparkling below them. If you like my story, give a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Stay blessed, lovely guys.